This is Unit 5 Written Review, Help Video, Problem B. Step number 1, we want to finger track and read the problem out loud. Put your finger right here at the word A. You're going to read aloud with your finger on the paper. A gondola lift takes skiers from the base station to the top of the mountain in 4 minutes. The vertical rise, or the height of the mountain, is 400 meters, and the angle of depression from the mountaintop station down to the base station is 58 degrees. First, find diagonal distance traveled from the base station to the summit station, and then calculate the speed of the gondola in terms of meters per second. Some of you are not even familiar with what a ski lift gondola looks like, so here's a short video. What your job is, step number 1, draw and label a diagram. Then focus on what you're trying to find, answer the questions. You're ultimately going to be doing have, need, do. And your ultimate question is to figure out the speed. You're going to do 4 minutes completely on your own. See how far you can get in 4 minutes. Go. Let's take a look at least your drawing. Step number 1. Base station, top of station, 4 minutes. Vertical rise, which is the height, is 400 meters. Angle of depression from the top station, 58. There's 2 things we're finding here. So you should have a diagram of some sort. So right now you're correcting your diagram. You're not drawing from a blank. Let's see how you did. So somehow there's some sort of mountain for skiing. You have a base station to the top station. And the gondola is traveling like so. This is the information. The height of the mountain with vertical rise is 400 meters. So that's vertical. Cross that out. 400 meters. Angle of depression, that starts at a horizontal and goes downward. So horizontal, you have to draw in that horizontal line, angle downward. That is your angle of depression, and that is 58 degrees. We are told that this distance takes 4 minutes to travel. And our ultimate goal is to find speed. Keep in mind, the definition of speed, basic definition of speed, is distance over time. We're being asked to find meters per second. Keep in mind that this has been given to you in minutes. Whenever you have an angle of depression, you essentially have 2 right triangles. So this is the right triangle you are working with right here. And the ultimate goal will be to find this length, which we are going to call x. So from the 58, you label opposite, adjacent, and hypo. The 400, of course, is the opposite. Our x, which is our distance, is our hypo. You're not using time yet. You need to answer these questions. Have, need, do, solve for x. Once you solve for x, you will have found the distance part. Then you deal with the time part in seconds and get the speed.